Okay, we're just on our way up the White Rock now. Down yonder. Nice little drive through here, or should I say ride. Creek I'm crossing now, dry as a bone, but once upon a time held very good trout. Living in the area all my life, well, and once a very keen trout fisherman, I knew exactly where all the trout were in these places. They seem we've been in a drought now for the last few years. All those ideas have shot out the window, and I've been trout fishing now for quite a while because all these creeks are virtually dry, and there'll be a restocking program before they become good, and that'll be after it rains. Better watch this because it looks like they've surfaced the potholes since I was along here last. And that was only a couple of weeks back when I bought the bike along here. But we'll run the bike road here and see what it's like. Nice curvy bend seats. After spending quite a few years on a C5, sometimes it's a bit misleading how fast you're going on an Interceptor compared to a classic 500 until you look down and see how quick you're gaining pace. So, and you seem to hit your maximum speed limit pretty easy. Hopefully I'll get this ride out of the way reasonably quick. I don't think I'd like to be coming back through here too late. Bit of a bounce there. Yeah, so the old Interceptor pulls the hills nicely now, especially when you can run her up to 6,000 or better. Looks like here's a dead roo on the road, or there's a tree. Roo. And when you ride an Interceptor, it takes very little effort to get it up to 60 mile an hour or 100 k's. Where on your old classic 500 you're almost near the end of the run. This is a really steep hill too, so we can run it back and forth, give it to it. Not actually give it to it, but run it a bit harder. Down again. This is white rock here, but no one's around, but I might just have a look around the other side. We'll go for a spin around the other side and look back.